these are ideal materials. This is the horseweed that you saw me harvest about 2 days ago. And this is completely dried out because it's been in the back glass of the Camry. Here's the other spindles. And here's the piece that I broke off the end of it. So I have about an 18-inch spindle. I'll be using this small end down in the fireboard and the Tulip Poplar fireboard that you saw me make yesterday. Let's go ahead and try them out. I anticipate no problems. I've got some leaves off the ground, the driest ones I could find, and I think I'll get some scrapings off my dogwood baton to help beef up this ember. Let's give it a try. All right, make up some dogwood scrapings. That'll help the little ember out. All right, let's go for the burn-in. That divot is inset farther than what I like. There's an easy fix for that. Let me scrape this bark off the very end of the hot end. That fireboard is thicker than what I like. It should be like an 1/8 inch thinner than that, but we'll work with what we have. Let's give it a try. Usually 60 floats, 10 passes down the spindle. Back when I was doing it regularly. Let's see what it takes this time. wasn't too bad. I can tell I'm out of hand drill shape. It turned out all right. Surprisingly, I bored halfway down through that fireboard. And that's like a 5/16 in diameter spindle. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.